Section 5. Perforated cable tray systems. With cable trays, connecting them to the supporting channel system can often be difficult. But if one considers an easy-to-install channel connector which simply clips into place, installation time can be reduced. A little innovation can go a very long way. As well as connecting to channel, cable tray is notoriously fiddly to install. Perhaps consider easy-to-install clip connectors instead of traditional nuts and bolts. Cut down on fixings, cut down on labour, cut down on cost, and increase profitability. This clipped connector is 4 times faster to fit than traditional nuts and bolts. It's load tested to meet BS requirements, and it requires no tools whilst ensuring earth continuity. Butt jointed cable tray fittings are labour intensive and difficult to place. So how do we overcome this? By using integral coupling systems on all fittings, which include locating side lugs to aid the placement of the fitting, thereby making installation easy. With a little thought in the right places, building in some innovation to cable trays just makes installation so much better. Overcoming obstacles and on-site challenges has traditionally been the realm of a flexible steel wire system. But look at this universal bracket. It's a manufacturer's recommended cable tray solution for on-site fabrication and brings flexibility to an otherwise rigid support system. In today's market, one of the most important elements in any installation is cost effectiveness. So in an electrical installation, features like this can become the difference between completing on time or facing penalty clauses.